So my dad's going through his old server shit, work stuff, and got some monitor. Let me get my.
I don't have my knife on me.
Here, I got my knife. I've not sharpened that since 2002. I like that. The black piece on it.
That's what I was afraid of. Really let that down, but it fell.
Because it was right against the edge.
Yeah.
It's too high up. And this is you said this is the server system that you don't need anymore?
Yeah, old server.
We can probably come back and get that sometime, right?
Yeah, we'd probably need a forklift to get that down.
Yeah, that's a couple
That's
hundred.
heavy.
Oh yeah, I forgot I have to take that down the ladder.
I can carry that.
No,
Oh, you want the tube one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you can have it. Nobody wants those anymore.
Well, it's high quality. It's Sonic. What, you thought I was on the computer underneath it?
No, I thought there was a flat screen in the middle that you wanted.
Yeah, no. Flat screens. Well, speaking of that, what resolution is this Acer?
I think it's 1080.
Wow. Yeah, some of the stuff could probably be sold.
Well,
but stuff like the CRT you don't need.
Yeah, there's a phone system that I want to sell. It's my old one. Well, just last year.
Yeah.
There's a server rack right there too.
Oh, really? Oh, nice.
Dell
Yeah.
Power Edge, I think.
So we can come back and get those sometime. I mean, they're not going anywhere, right?
Nope. No. They
Yeah,
just want
storage.
That's actually 2 brand new computers I forgot about.
Oh,
I forgot all about those. Those are never been used. There was like some. Tad had some old books.
Yeah.
You might like.
Because like if I ever want a computer for like a live stream machine, I could definitely see one if he's working. But yeah, I want the crappiest, chunkiest monitor I can find to take down that ladder.
Yeah, I guess.
Is that your projector still have? Is there still a projector in that box?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's gonna be mine.
Save the best shit for yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's actually an older one.
Yeah. 1080p or 720?
It's DLP, so I think it was 1080.
Oh, DLP. Neat.
Yeah.
Make sure you don't drop it. Those DLP things can might get fucked up.
Yeah, we got a newer one at work, and I was gonna use it to, like, see if I could put it in my man cave or something.
Is that a thing for underneath the desk?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Some old.
Is it an Optiplex? No, it's an HP.
That's our shipping computer.
Oh, yeah. Neat. God knows I don't need more computers. But,
the note on here, it works very slow. Thought I had more. Oh, TVs and stuff are back there, but that.
oh, with those printers, yeah.
Yeah, keeping that stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna go through this, and we're gonna scrap it the next technology day or whatever they call it.
Well, I can take a lot of that stuff. It's just right now I don't have much room, but
yeah, that's the problem.
whenever you want to get rid of it, I can definitely take a bunch of that stuff or whatever. A lot of my viewers hate it when I do this, but I feel it's safer. Especially with something so big, you know? So I let these sit for a little while, tinkering with them. This monitor works fine. Might have a bit of a color weirdness to it. I think it's like a 1400 by 900 or something monitor. It's a nice little one. This printer I haven't really looked at too much, But I noticed that refurbished cartridges are so cheap now. You can buy like 6 of them for $6. It's insanely cheap. So this might actually be quite good, as opposed to how expensive they were back then. This monitor was the one that I was spending most of the time kind of making sure I didn't misunderstand. Because it doesn't turn on, and so I tried different VGA sources, and no, it actually is just broken. And I noticed there was a big crack here. I was so focused on just trying to get it working, I didn't even notice the huge crack running down the plastic. So this thing has been dropped very hard. And let's look at that first, and then let's look at that and take it apart. Okay. Oh. Ooh. That's pretty dirty. I think maybe isopropyl alcohol will be okay for this. So I'm getting close to rolling this out into its own video where I fully disassemble this Canon printer. And maybe I'll take apart the waste ink pads and clean them and such. Yeah, so that's the problem. Little C-clip. Held that on. And that goes like so. It's actually broken in 4 places. Okay, there we go. It's not, it's not actually able to be on there. So it's unfortunate. I prepared for this to make a very big mess, but oh well. Or not. I guess it just comes off like that. Okay, one more thing. I should squeeze some more into these parts here. I kind of can't believe this. This is actually working. I'm having to clean off some of the excess glue that got into the, oh, there we go, into the teeth, but I just realized there's this strip that has these lines printed on it. And it appears that this might be some sort of encoder, and it goes through there. I imagine there's probably some opto sensor in there, and I noticed there's a lot of scuffing and ink on there. So let's clean that off and then put that back on. That might also help it encode its position better. Oh, that's just like some connector thing. Oh well. It did it. Oh, interesting. So actually holding it down is it being opened and letting go. So you can just run it without it. That's nice. That's why I didn't really care too much about the case, because the case is not what matters to me. I've been having so many issues with this, and I just noticed. Canon driver update for Canon inkjet iP90. That's it. Because I can't even download the drivers from online and get them to install right. It doesn't even accept the drivers. Oh. Oh. Well, the color's not so bad. Just the black is having issues. Yeah, so it's just out of black. Do I really feel like redoing this? I don't think so. Cleaning out this waste ink container because, well, it's only black up to here. It's white here, so I can clean it out some other time. Unless this is ABS. Looks like that pops off. Well, composite black mode works. And this, I'm printing a shipping label, so I'm sending a package to the guitologist. So I'm not going to show you all the label, but it's working. There, problem solved. Free printer. I really can't bring myself to care too much. Now these tend to be much easier to open. So I think we don't have any high voltage at all. I see no burning, so that's good. But I don't see much of anything. Hey. Trying to tell if that's corrosion or what. Oh, that's just dust from paper dust from the publishing company this is at. Paper dust gets everywhere, so that makes sense. I've let this sit here for a few days, and I'm really not feeling it because I have a lot of CRTs that have some serious issues like this, and I've been moving them and putting them in storage at Bill's house in that secondary closet because right now I'm not really in the mood to fix CRTs, and I don't have the full workings in my head. I need to someday get all my broken televisions, which is like 20 of them, and someday I'll be in a mood to fix them, and I'll actually learn about how to test them and such, because I know that it doesn't have power coming out of its flyback, but I don't really know. I'm not well adept at tracing the connections and such, and I also lack a few tools, because it would be nice for me to get a few more tools. I have like tube testers and CRT testers and such, but I'll put this in storage, and then hopefully someday in the future, just like I'm doing with computers now, where I'm kind of digging out old computers and having fun programming them, well, I might have a time where I'm having fun digging out all these weird old televisions I have and monitors, and I go through a phase of just fixing a bunch of them if I can. Now, I've saved a lot of motherboards from other monitors and such, so it might be something as simple as just replacing the flyback. This monitor has gotten a lot of use though. It was a shipping label making monitor, so it was on every single day. Although I would suspect the really hard drop is to blame. You know, I honestly can't believe that I got the printer working. I actually got it working. It's kind of amazing. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya.